How to build a business model focused on food and beverage products. The food and beverage industry is a highly competitive and dynamic market. To succeed in this industry, businesses need to have a strong product offering and a well-executed business model. In this article, we will explore some ways to build a business model focused on food and beverage products. Identify your target market. The first step in building a business model focused on food and beverage products is to identify your target market. This could include specific demographics such as age, gender, or income level, or specific interests such as health and wellness, sustainability, or convenience. By identifying your target market, you can tailor your product offerings and marketing strategies to meet their needs and preferences. This can help you differentiate your business from competitors and build a loyal customer base. Develop a unique value proposition. Developing a unique value proposition is another key element of building a successful business model focused on food and beverage products. Your value proposition should communicate the unique benefits and value that your products offer to your target market. To develop a unique value proposition, you can conduct market research to identify the needs and preferences of your target market. You can also analyze your competitors to identify gaps in the market and opportunities to differentiate your business. Your value proposition could be based on factors such as the quality of your ingredients, the health benefits of your products, your sustainable sourcing practices, or your convenient packaging. And delivery options. It's important to communicate your value proposition clearly and consistently through your marketing messaging and branding. Create a strong product offering. Creating a strong product offering is a crucial element of building a successful business model focused on food and beverage products. Your product offering should be aligned with your target market and value proposition, and should meet high standards for quality and taste. To create a strong product offering, you can conduct product research and development to identify new and innovative products that meet the needs and preferences of your target market. You can also work with suppliers and distributors to ensure that your ingredients and products meet high standards for quality and sustainability. It's important to continuously evaluate and improve your product offering based on customer feedback and market trends. This can help you stay ahead of competitors and meet the evolving needs and preferences of your target market. Establish a strong brand identity. Establishing a strong brand identity is another important element of building a successful business model focused on food and beverage products. Your brand identity should communicate your unique value proposition and product offering, and should resonate with your target market. To establish a strong brand identity, you can develop a brand strategy that includes your brand vision, mission, values, and messaging. You can also create a brand name, logo, and visual identity that are consistent with your brand strategy and communicate your value proposition. It's important to communicate your brand identity consistently across all touchpoints, including your website, social media channels, packaging, and marketing materials. This can help build brand recognition and loyalty among your target market. Develop a strong distribution strategy. Developing a strong distribution strategy is another crucial element of building a successful business model focused on food and beverage products. Your distribution strategy should ensure that your products are available to your target market in a convenient and efficient manner. To develop a strong distribution strategy, You can consider different distribution channels such as brick and mortar retail, e-commerce, or food service. You can also work with distributors and wholesalers to ensure that your products are available in a wide range of locations.